Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which is most of the time not even considered as one of the handling situation for anyone, that is stress. When we talk about stress, first thing and which is very much important is that how do you consider a situation. Okay, so in this topic we are going to have a proper information about stress and handling the stress, what are the factors that impact stress. So let's start with the first point, that is what is stress, or let's try to define it. Stress is the reaction people have to excessive pressures or other type of demands placed upon and not able to cope. Now there are certain situations or aspects or scenarios totally depending on your reaction, whether you perceive or give importance to others' feedback much important than your own evaluation, that leads to stress. If a person is expecting that you should have, let's suppose, level 4 performance, but you are not able to reach to the level 4 performance and you are getting level 1 performance, person may become conscious, or person may try to start exaggerating the whole situation, that why and why, what was the reason I was not able to perform, etc. So these things will lead to particular situation called stress. So when you are not able to reach to the demand which was expected or expectations of a person, and then you move into the level of pressure. So this is what stress is all about. Now let's understand in the third point slide, that is what are the exact equation if we talk about of stress and what results in stress. If we talk about the action and reaction of stress, how it starts and how it proceeds, a simple equation can be S is equal to P, which is greater than R. Stress occurs when pressure is greater than the resource. Now, it can be personal situation, it can be professional situation. So if we talk about a general person, a kid of a school, so while participating in a sports event, that student needs a time to practice, but if time is very less and has to focus on the study part, stress definitely comes, that how will I be able to accomplish, or how would I be able to participate in the sports event. So the other example for professionals is for CSE students. If I talk about the projects, if you are asked for a project in which you are specialized, let's suppose a project is all about web development, but you are more into AI, so then the situation is about stress. You don't the resources are very less, you don't know how to upgrade yourself, update in a limited time period, how will you exhibit the whole performance in a very interesting way. So that will definitely results into stress. In other examples, most of the students say that I have a team of 4 members, suddenly 3 people or 2 people said that I don't want to be the part of project, or I'm not interested in the project, or their behavioral issues may come up. So that also leads to stress.